A very good morning, P3s. Now let's go through the 15 MCQ that you have done. Please remember to copy the notes highlighted in yellow. Today, we are going through question 3, 10, 12, 13, and 15. Let's first take a look at question 3. Remember, mushroom is not a plant and cannot make their own food. They reproduce from spores. On the other hand, bird nest fern is a non-flowering plant which reproduces from spores. So for this question, the answer is 2. Now, let's look at question 10. Which of the following organisms will respond to changes in the surrounding? The phrase respond to changes indicates that we are looking for living things, because living things respond to changes. Now, let's take a look at these 3 characteristics. Which one of them is the characteristic of all living things? And the characteristic of all living things is they need air, water, and food. Since B, C, and D needs air, water, and food, the answer to this question is 3. Let's look at the remaining characteristics. Remember, only plants make its own food. Animals cannot make their own food. Plants cannot move from place to place, but animals can. So, only this characteristic is the characteristic of all living things. For question 12 and 13, I am going to show you how to use elimination to get to your answer. For question 12, A is an animal that lives in water. We know that owl does not live in water, so option 3 is out. Let's look at B. B is a fungi. Looking at the remaining 3 options, we know that option 2 and option 4 must be eliminated because bird nest fern and hibiscus are not fungi, they are plants. So the answer to this question is 1. Let's confirm that our answer is correct. Dolphin is an animal which lives in water. Yeast is actually a fungi, and moss is a non-flowering plant. We shall now go on to question 13. In this question, we need to find out what are animals A, B, and C. Let's look at A. A has 6 legs. This means that it must be an insect. Since we know A is an insect, option 1 and option 4 are eliminated because snail and lobster are not insects. Let's say you are not too sure which animal breathes to scale. Let's focus on C first. C gives birth to young alive, and you know that that must be a mammal. Looking at these 2 options, option 2 is eliminated because chicken is not a mammal. Let's look at option 3 to confirm our answer. Ant is an insect. Guppy is a fish which breathes through the gills and gives birth to young alive. An elephant is of course a mammal. Let's look at the last question, question 15. In this question, we put 4 different materials in the pills W, X, Y, Z. We then remove the materials from the pills and observe the amount of water left in the pills. We need to find out which pill contains the most suitable material for making a towel. The towel can be used to dry ourselves after shower, and it must absorb water. So, the material we choose must absorb the most water. This means that the amount of water left in the pill after the material is taken out must be the least. So, we will choose the material in pill Z. I hope you find the video useful. That's all for now. Thanks, bye!